This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing the site to identify as a desktop. Open Chrome, sign into your Roblox account, then open Developer Tools with Ctrl+Shift+I. Once done, choose Network Conditions from More Tools and uncheck Select Automatically. Now paste a common desktop user agent like Chrome on Windows. This tells Roblox you're not on a phone. Make sure you keep Developer Tools open during the next steps, so the browser keeps reporting the desktop profile. Once the user agent is set, clear cookies and cache for Roblox. To remove previous mobile redirects, go to Site Settings and remove stored data. Next, enable Request Desktop Site from Chrome's menu so the browser adds the desktop hint on reload. Reload the page, you should land on www.roblox.com and see desktop navigation. Sign in again. If link still open to mobile, double-check the user agent string and that Developer Tools remains active. Those two things force the desktop experience reliably. To finish, click a game and allow the Roblox player protocol to run. Accept prompts so the game can launch. If the site still forces mobile layout, swap to another desktop user agent string or open Chrome inside Christini/Linux and repeat the steps there. Linux browsers report desktop more consistently. If problems persist, disable extensions, clear cookies one more time, and reboot the Chromebook. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different desktop user agent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.